Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. In my previous videos, we have been following this breakout from this big down channel, and now after the breakout, Bonfida has formed another symmetrical triangle as well. And in today's video, we will also watch this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bonfida that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And that is an expected harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Bonfida is completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line did not complete this final leg. And soon it is possible that it may complete this leg, and once it will be entered here, then it may start the price reversal from here. And before this, I shared this expected, not this one, yes, this one. This was an expected harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Bonfida was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down, and once it will be entered here, then it can start the next price reversal from here. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and completed this leg here. And then we can see that we had a very powerful pump, and this was, by the way, more than 80% rally on this 2-hour time frame chart. And I shared this idea on 7th of January 2023 with my members. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern, and this pattern I shared in the month of September 2022. And you can see that the price line already had completed this final leg of the guarded pattern with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone, and this was almost 43% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different such trading signals for you on the daily basis. Now let me take you here on the weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that previously Bonfida was entered the channel here in the month of November when we found this resistance. And by the way, this was the November 2021, and after that you can see that the price line was dropping down, and since we found this resistance, we could not break out the resistance here, and finally we broke it out here. In fact, it just left the resistance, and it was moving sideways between the resistance and support of another symmetrical triangle. You can see we found the resistance of this triangle here in the month of July 2022. We had a very powerful attempt to break out the channel, but could not break out because we found another resistance here. That was a downtrend line resistance. Then we again got rejected 2 times in the month of November 2022. Then we again got rejected here in the month of Feb, and recently we got rejected in the previous week in the month of in the current month of April 2023. And you can also see that we have also several touch points at the support as well. And now the movement is quite squeezed, therefore now at any time it can break down or break out the support or resistance. I'm expecting that it can break out because already we have broken out the resistance of a very big down channel. Therefore now there is a high probability that the price line may continue its momentum to the upside. Now if we take a look at the target, by the way, after this breakdown, for example, if the price line break down the support, then the target to the downside can be approximately at 7.36 cents. That will be quite low from here. And in case of breaking out the resistance, the target to the upside can be at $2.92. That is showing us the projection beyond this very long-term resistance of $1.55. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this down channel that is here at the top of the channel, which is approximately at $15. And by the way, we also have very strong resistance here at $10. Therefore, you can also set your target here as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.